In this video, I will give an overview on zone configuration and explain basic zone configuration. Enter your username and password. A zone is a group of locations. Entry and exit to and from a zone is achievable via its locations only. Generally, a zone is a physically bounded area containing one or more locations. Anti-passback mode requires 2 readers at each location at which anti-passback is required. Each location can have its own zone, or a number of locations can be grouped together to form an anti-passback zone. What is anti-passback? The main purpose of anti-passback is to prevent a tag holder from passing their card back to a second person to gain entry into the same controlled area. For example, a car park. It deters tailgating. Let's have a look at zone configuration. Select the Setup menu and click on Zones. When Access Portal is installed, a default zone is created by default. All hardware installed is by default assigned to the default zone. To create a new zone, click on the plus icon. A zone is configured on a system controller. This is a compulsory field. Click on the arrow to assign it to a system controller and click on Save. I will create a second zone to explain the settings. None. Anti-passback is off. Relaxed. Once a tag holder has entered a zone, they must exit the zone using their tag before they can re-enter. However, tag holders can use their tags for multiple consecutive exits in this mode. Strict. Anti-passback rules are enforced for in and out directions. A tag holder cannot enter or exit a zone consecutively. Relaxed exit. It enables a tag holder to exit a zone even if the access time pattern for the zone has expired. Entry lockout delay. The same card can't be used to gain entry within 10 minutes, and same applies to exit lockout delay. Fully nested within zone. This feature is used when a zone is physically contained within another zone on the same controller. A person cannot tag at a door in zone B without having clocked into zone A. A person cannot clock out of zone A without having clocked out of zone B. Common zone. A common zone is used when zones belonging to different controllers must have anti-passback applied, as these zones form a single physical work area. It can be set up for both strict APB and relaxed APB. Max capacity specifies the maximum number of people allowed into the zone. I will now assign my doors to the zones. Select the Setup menu and click on Doors. I want to assign the reception door to the reception zone. Click on the arrow and select Reception Zone. And my training room door to the offer zone. And click on Save. I want to demo reports and will therefore reconfigure my reception zone for demo purposes. Select Setup and click on Zones. Select Reports and click on Zone Occupancy. The zone occupancy report provides information on zone occupancy. Enter a name for your report and click on Save. A tag holder will now enter the zone. Allowed normal in on the reception in reader, Sean Ferris. Sean Ferris is currently in the reception zone. Sean has left the zone. Zone occupancy shows me there is currently no tag holder in the zone. Let's have a look at the time-based report. Select Reports and click on Time-based. Strict APB zone configuration is required when running a time-based report. A time-based report provides information on hours worked. A graphical representation of hours worked is also available. Let's have a look how a tag holder will be affected if a door is assigned to a strict APB zone. Now remember, the reception door is assigned to the reception zone, and the reception zone is set to APB strict. Strict APB rules are enforced for in and out directions. A tag holder cannot enter or exit a zone consecutively. A denied APB in event will be raised.